So we got this situation where we have to divide 29 power 67 power 23 by 25 to get the remainder. Okay, now look at this how we will approach. So you know that we have some steps for these kind of questions. So we will divide 29 by 25 and we will get remainder as 4, correct? Now we will try to find out the cyclicity. Okay, means cyclicity we will get as, if we will divide 4 by 25 है ना, and we have to focus on the remainder. So this time we will get remainder as 4 square divided by 25, and we will be in search of 1 or minus 1, correct? So we will stop at either 1 or 24, because if we will get 24 we will have, if we will get remainder as 24, then we can write 24 as minus 1 also. Okay, so this case 16, 4 cube. Okay, so if you will divide 4 cube is what, 64 है ना, 64 is means what, 14 is the remainder है ना, 4 power 4. Now things are getting complicated. Okay, so what you have to do, you can write 4 power 4 as 4 power 3 into 4 divided by 25. You know that if 4 power 3 will be divided by 25, we will get remainder as 14. Okay, so this and this will be multiplied because it is in product, so it is 56. Okay, so if you will divide 56 by 25, you will get remainder as 6. Okay, now 4 power 5 divided by 25, you know that you can write 4 power 5 as 4 power 4 into 4 by 25. If we will if we have 4 power 4, we will get remainder as 6. So 6 into 4 is what, 24, and 24 is smaller than 25. So we can write 24 or minus 1, correct or wrong? I told you that we have to search 1 or minus 1. Now if we will get 1, the cyclicity will be the number of steps. If we will get minus 1, cyclicity will be 2 times number of steps. Okay, so we got 5 steps, so 2 times 5 is 10, so we got cyclicity as 10. Now till this time we guys were playing with the base, that is 29. Now it's time to break down the power, so we will divide power 67 power 23 by the cyclicity. Okay, now you have to keep on breaking things down. Okay, so can I write 67 as 60 plus 7 power 23, correct? Now we can apply binomial concept. So the element in which 60 will be there will be divisible by 10. So the all responsibility is on the last element, correct? So it is 23 C23, which is 1. 60 power 0, 1. So we are left with 7 power 23 by 10. Okay, now you know that this time numerator becomes smaller than denominator. So can I, you have to start reading table of 7 and you have to get closer to power table. Okay, and you have to get closer to 10. So 7 times 7 square is 49, and 49 is close to 50, which is divisible by 10. So can I break this thing as 7 into 7 power 22 by 10 is equal to 7 into 49 power 11 by 10. And can we write this thing as 7 times 50 minus 1 power 11 by 10? Now focus on this part. You know that if we will expand this thing, the element in which 50 will be there will be divisible by 10. Okay, and the only term in which 50 will be absent is the last element, that is 7 times 11 c 11 50 power 0 1 minus 1 power 11, correct? So 11c11 is 1. This thing is minus 1 because minus 1 power odd is minus 1. So minus 7. So we got minus 7 as the remainder. You know that minus 7 cannot be the remainder. So the remainder is 3. Okay. So in this case we got remainder as 3. Now we have break down the power. Now we have to follow the final steps. So now we will write this 3 in the power of 29. So 29 power 3 divided by 25. Now this thing will give us the final result. Now you know that 29 can be written as 29 into 29 into 29 by 25. So if we will divide 29 by 25, we will get remainder as 4. 4. 4. Okay. So it is 64. 64 divided by 25. You know that the remainder would be 14 because 25 into 2 is 50. So we will be left with 14. So the required remainder is 14. I hope the idea is clear. If you are not comfortable with these steps, go to lecture 1, okay, and get the concept and come back again and just retry. You will get your things done.